Hello everyone, this is Wildflower Farm. You won't think it's a farm, but it's a farm.
There are 3 pink piggies and they're splashing out in the sun. Can you see a feathered friend hiding from the sun? Who's that? Let's look behind the trees. So, what's a piggy sound like? Very good. Right? Yeah. So who's behind the tree? This one's a little harder. What do you think is there? A sheep, a cow. A cow. A sheep. A sheep. We are ready.
Whoa. You want to feed them? You want to hold the bottle? Get in here, Trouble. Come on. You should have been named Trouble.
Is that everybody? Oh my goodness, great job, guys. And the Americana chickens. I just love the Americana chickens. They're so colorful, aren't they? And they lay a colorful egg. Their eggs are actually blue and green. I never knew green eggs and ham was a real thing. Let's see if we have any eggs.
I see 2 eggs.
Chickens up there. Sorry. All right. So here's the kind of eggs they lay. Kind of a green, kind of a blue. So if you were doing Easter eggs, you'd be all done, huh?
So they have stuff they can buy here at the Wildflower Farm. Oh, you want some goat milk, Rebecca? If you guys enjoyed what you saw in my video today, and you want to take part in that yourself, go to wildflowerfarmorlando.com. Then you're going to click on events. And then you're going to scroll down to Fables on the Farm. Then you're going to book it. And then you'll click which day you want to partake in it. It's normally on Wednesdays and Saturdays. And then you'll need to put in how many people are going to be at this event. Now, if your child is 12 months and under, it is free, so keep that in mind. If you enjoyed my video, please click like and subscribe.